Parlez-vous français? Yes guys, it's your boy Roman and Happy New Year. I wish you guys will have a wonderful 2021, and with the New Year's it's common to make New Year's resolution, and for this year why not learn a foreign language? And not just any language, why not learn French? Number 1, French is a widely spoken language. In fact, 29 countries have French as their official language. That include Canada, France, Guadeloupe, Martinique, Chad, Senegal, Madagascar, and the list goes on. In fact, it's not limited to just these 29 countries, but there are other countries which don't have French as their official language, but it's there. For example, Algeria, Morocco, and these countries are principally known for Arabic, but trust me, they speak French quite well. And if you're not convinced, French is one of the 6 official languages of the UN, so if you want to work the big bucks or to just be in European journal, then French is definitely your ticket. Number 2, graduate debt-free. You heard me. So first of all, as you all know, if you want to study abroad, international students usually pay 3 or 4 or 5 times more than local students. But not in France, which speaks French. So why not learn French? So in France, to study an undergraduate program, it's 170 euro. And if you want to study the master's level, that is just 243 euro per year. And if you want to do doctoral studies, oh my god, it's just an ooh la la 380 euros. So, you know, I can't just leave it there because I'm talking about France here. So outside of having an almost free tuition system, France actually has student aids. You can get funding and so forth from CAF and blah blah blah. There's so much here to help students. So I won't even make this video much longer, just simply look in the description box below and I'll put the necessary links or information. Number 3, you can migrate to Canada. Oh yes, and the Canadian economy is currently thriving at the moment. So let us all come and be a part of the friendly Canadian economy, which is, as far as I know, quite friendly and open, and it's a over-exaggerated welcoming society. So yes, you can definitely become a Canadian citizen, and that's really a long topic there. So there's someone who I know who did a very good video on this, so just check it out right here if you want to learn more about migrating to Canada. Oh, and Quebec speaks French. So number 4, you have a free pass to cursing. Often persons frown upon those who curse, but in France, it's not necessarily quite the case because people just curse all the time. It's like, putain, elle est belle. I never say like that, but that's just one example. Or persons that say putain for everything, like,
oh putain, putain,
oh putain.
ah putain, mais c'est dur en fait.
Oh putain, ça me fait chier.
Number 5 and last, to speak a second language is to have another soul, or to have a second soul, and this statement speaks so much truth. The fact of speaking French, or in fact any other foreign language, it gives you a new perspective, it opens up your mind, it creates a different personality within you. So just quickly give me something about myself. So whenever I speak English, I know that's English, but whenever I speak Spanish, for example, it brings out the emotive side of myself. So in English, you might never, in fact, you'll never hear me say, oh, I love you, or express the emotive side of myself, but in Spanish, I get to do that. Or in a much more deep, poetic, and profound poetic sense. And in French, I get to experience a whole another side of me. And so basically with French, I've had a lot of cultural interaction. And again, it's not unique to French, it's the whole idea of learning a foreign language. And I'll show you guys a quick video of what I mean. You become another person. So the fact that I speak around 4 or 5 foreign languages adequately well enough to live in that country, I would say I have about 5 souls. And it's not about how many languages you speak, but I'm saying learn French or just simply learn a foreign language for this new year. Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you've not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Just simply hit that subscription button, activate the notification bell so that you can always be notified when I make an upload. And lastly guys, leave a comment down below to tell me which language you'll be committing to learn this year. With that said, I'll see you guys next week. Ciao ciao. Pourquoi pas apprendre le français? I'm trying to do one of those winks like, it looks like something's wrong with my eye. Oh my god.